Yung pinaka ano nila, pine tree, maliit pa pine tree. So nakahilira na sila para ayun, pag magsitubuan yan, para magsilbing wall. Kasi darating ang panahon, may hangin galing sa Scandinavia na napakalamig na lugar pupunta dito, tapos minsan yung mga sand ay papasok dito. So ito yung nagsilbing pinakaharang ng mga pine tree. At ang tibay nito guys, parang katumbas to ng kawayan sa Pilipinas. Kasi mag ice snow or mag summer, ano pa man ang season dyan, manatiling ganyan siya. Wow! Makaka experience na ako kung paano mag harvest ng cherry mga 4 months from now.
Wow! That's wing! Water, you give them water, daj im wodę? Aha, dlatego cię wołają. Teraz to już wiem z tego. Dziękuję.
What's that? Oh, hardinera din. Radish ba yan? Ayan. Ayan yung strawberry, sumibol na. Guys, ang strawberry ito maliliit ang paborito nila, pero yung malalaki, mas mura tuloy ang presyo. Kasi mas matamis daw yung maliliit. So, ayan, medyo malaki-laki pang taniman sa dito. Miss you! 2 weeks na lang para lalabas ka na. Miss you, faster miss you to go out kasi may next pa. So guys, ito yung hitsura ng Poland mga alas 2 ng tanghali. Ayan. So yung palipot. Ayan yung mga napapansin yung mga puti-puti na mga bulaklak. Ito, meron pala ito. Ayan. Hindi ko sure kung apple ba yan or peach or ayan. Mas marami pang bulaklak kaysa sa dahon. So ito naman, ewan kung apple ba ito. Ayan siya. Hi guys, hi girls. Ayan. Hello mommy. Wow, mommy is prettier more than ever.
Wonderful weather today. So warm.
Smell good?
Yes, try. May is the most beautiful. My love, I think it's May is the most beautiful time in Poland. It's not yet May,
Nakaka-relax yung
but almost. I think this is apple tree.
ito pala yung apple tree. Yeah, apple to. Kasi meron akong tanim sa Pinas na apple.
Not yet, but not with flowers. Maybe it's too young.
So, namumunga na to?
Nie ma jeszcze kwiatów, nie? Za wczesne są? Za młode.
Ah, ito pala yung namumungang apple. Hmm. Ito yung apple, guys. Ang liit pa, namumunga na daw to. Kaya pala meron silang mga apple preserved.
They will come all flowers, see?
Ah, flowers yan?
No. Will be pink flowers. This apple,
Ito
big.
pala yung
Oh, you
ano.
see pink, pink. Oh,
Ah, ito yung
Apple is
ano.
green.
Ito na yung apple.
this is early apple.
Mhm.
Early apple. Oh, there is apple. Here.
Mm.
Here.
Ito na yung pear. Peras.
Flowers.
Mhm.
In May, all these trees will be blooming.
Mm,
So
wow.
it's really beautiful.
So shout out kay Ma'am na nag-request. Ito yung mga common, guys, na mga bulaklak. Parang ang katumbas niya sa Pinas yung tinatawag na Vietnam rose. Vietnam rose. Ah. So ganito siya, iba-ibang kulay din.
2 days ago,
Pero normal lang to, parang damo lang siya. Tapos ito white. Ito naman is iwan ko anong ko. Pink? Hindi, pula sa
is the sunshine and this is very hot, beautiful smell. And tulipan, ano?
ito yung wow, first time kong nakakita ng tulip.
After 2 days will be many.
Ah,
They are all
ito pa, guys, nawakot na yung tulip. Violet?
No, it's not lavender.
Okay.
It's first spring flowers. These flowers because they are like first. I will give one to Misha and Misha.
Wow, ganda. Mm.
I give to Misha and Misha because they always bring me flowers also. I love these flowers because when they are appearing, it means that spring is came. It's like very hopeful time already. So
Okay.
relaxing. Let's give to girls.
Okay, see.
Flowers. Flowers.
Guys, ang kagandahan dito sa lugar nila, imdam ko, safe na safe ang mga bata na maglaro dito kasi bukod sa napapalibutan ng bakod, ayan. So,
She's so busy. She snapped my flower.
guys, ilang araw pa ito matatapos magtanim ng kamote. Singapore, baka abutan na pa ng 1 taon. May love pala. Subuti na lang yung Daddy Raymond, si Tata Raymond, yung original father ni Mrs. ay may sariling traktor yata yun. Yung parang yan. Kaya hindi na mahirapan na mano-mano na sa Bisaya pa magbungay. Hi, Mami. Mami Lila. Guys, pinapabasa ko yung mga comment nyo about kina Mami Lila and Daddy Boy Weekend. Talagang excited silang tina-translate. Tapos sabay kinakawan, baka may nag-bash. Pati ba naman sila mababash? Sabi ko hindi, imposibleng mabash kayo. But anyway, salamat sa mga good comments nyo. And ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Talagang hindi ko ramdam yung lamig. Pero since kagaling ko raw nagkasakit, so sabi ni Mrs. kailangan daw muna akong itong kasuotan. Guys, salamat.
Sa
Maraming
inyo.
salamat sa inyo.
Lahat. Tanan.
At tanan
Sa,
sa Indong Gabus.
for those who watching us 24 hours.
Yeah.
Also, salamat very, very much. So
Thank you.
supporting.
This is flower for you.
Spring flowers for you.